Next, we are going to understand some more programs related to the trinary operators. We understand unary operators and binary operators till now. We will understand trinary operators. The trinary operators we will apply like this. Right click, new class, new Java class, take a class. So I will explain the trinary operators program. Click on finish. So what is a trinary operators? Main. You already understand in C and C++ and in your classroom also. Please write a small program using a trinary operators because you already understand. So I am also going to write a small program regarding trinary operators. Meanwhile, please show me a small program regarding trinary operators. I will give you 5 minutes of time. Students, we got the information from the group. So you people must having you are going to activate. I think all the persons will receive one particular email for the first time. You need to activate. Your all is having your material assessments. Everything was there. So we are continuing the programs. The same way, you can get all the type of programs and all the materials available. You can study as well as you can practice. Meanwhile, I am also going to the concept that was given in particular Google our WhatsApp link. So let me go for the particular thing. I will explain you how to open if having the laptop. I will explain you how to create your accounts for the first time. One link was sent to your email addresses. You can click on that particular email, that particular link. Then the PBL app is going to be opened under the PBL. That is the Microsoft account. So you have to give your email address and provide your password, any password. So how to create? First and foremost thing, you need to sign up. Sign up with a password, and then you will get. After signing up, you can log in. After login, you will get the another window, that is the PBL app. Under that, every particular person is assigned one particular user ID that is sent to your email, that is the number of the student, and followed by one particular password, that may be a talent next 1 2 3 4 or something that will be provided, that is the password. and then you can log in and you can work on this. If anyone is having doubt, you can ask me. First time it will be asking for the Google Authenticator. Please download the app Google Authenticator. Using the one-time password, you can open the PBL app for the first time. Students, understand what I'm telling? What I explained, you understand? The password is going to send to your email only. Your user ID, that means that some number is going to send, as well as the password is also going to send your email ID. Okay, there is first URL. You have to click on the first URL that will be sent your email. You have to click on this. So that is also it is the Microsoft type of account. You will give your email address, whatever registered email address. How you got the email, the same email address you have to give, and click on sign up. Whenever you click on sign up, then what happened, they will provide you a verification code to the registered mobile number. What the mobile number, that particular mobile number. So after that you can easily sign up your details, name, password, confirm password. After that you will navigate to the another site, that is PBL app. You will navigate to the PBL app, but before going to that, you must having the Google Authenticator app. Please download from the Play Store. So Google Authenticator and add one authenticator, and then after that give the username and password that is sent through the mail for each and every student, and then after that we'll give the username and password. First time we have to scan the QR code using Google Authenticator for the first time onward, first time only. Next time onwards you need not go for the scanner because it will identify the system, and then after that you will go and work. Every time you have to log in and you can work the assessments, you can study, it's all the study materials and everything. Students, you understand? If you're having a problem, I will explain. All the PDF files is also in our group. Okay, students, come back to the programming. The program is Trinary Operators. Till now, nobody has written that particular program. Trinary Operators means two operands and two operators and three operands. Let me go for that. So I have two variables like this, a comma b comma c, three variables. Now I will say a equals to 10, b equals to 20, c equals to a less than b less than b, question mark a column b. So this is the trinary operator. This is the trinary operator. This is one operand, this is another operand, this is another operand. Three operands. One is expression, one is a variable, another one is also variable. Question mark and column is the operators. I assign to a variable. So this is the trinary operators. So what is the values of A, B, C if I execute? syshow. Sorry. So I'm going to write syshow here, and I'm going to display all the values. So first a equals to, where is the a, and plus b value, b equals to plus b, where is that b, and then I'm also displaying the c value. C is the string, c equals to plus c. Okay, save this one. Okay, save this one. Now what is the output of this particular program, students? 10 20 10. West Vandana is telling 10 20 10. Yes, a is 10 only, so a value becomes 10 and b is 20. Okay, 20. A less than b, that means 10 is less than 20. 10 less than 20 is true. That's why a value is going to copy to c. If this particular expression is not solved, okay, that means false, then the b value is going to copy to c. Yes. Okay, so save it and execute the program. Right click and run. This is the alternate solution for if else. 10 20 10. So Vandana given the right answer. Okay. Okay, students, this is the program. So this is the trinary operators program. So we understand unary operators, binary operators, trinary operators with different programs. Now we will go back to the control statements. We will go back to the control statements. What is the control statements till now we done? That is if and if else. We will work on if else ladder. If else ladder, that means giving the syntax is if condition, set of statements. Once again, else if, give the condition, set of statements, like this. You can write any number of conditions, and finally we have the else.